Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is on how to make this beautiful handkerchief skirt. This handkerchief skirt is in vogue right now. Hardly can you see any lady or woman that does not have this type of skirt in their wardrobe or clothes collections. So if it's something you are interested in, watch this video to the end. Let's get started. First of all, you fold your fabric into four. The fabric you are going to use, you fold it into four, as seen here. Then measure your radius. This is your radius. To get your radius, your waist divided by 6.28 is what you measure to get your radius. Here, after marking your radius, you measure from here to the length you want. You can decide to measure from here to 20 inches, depending on how long you want it to be. So I decided to use broken lines. To divide the center of my flare up to the hairstring. I marked 10 inches down at the center to be longer than the other side and shape. This is what I got after cutting and opening it. Then let's make the flare on top of the skirt. I cut my upper flare the same way I cut the previous one. Same circumference but different length. I decided to use 7 inches for the small flare. Don't forget that the radius for the waist that you use, your waist divided by 6.28, then the length I want to use for this second flare is 7 inches long. You can use 6 or 5 inches or more, depending on how long you want the length of the top flare to be. This is what I have after cutting the flare. This is what I have. Then I place the first flare on the second flare. As you can see, your handkerchief flare is ready. You can decide to use any points of fabric of your choice. Some people are using check materials, some people are using crepe material, some people are using natural fabric. Whatever fabric you decide to use, it will come out well. So let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Or any part you want me to explain more better, let me know in the comment section. Please support me by subscribing to this channel, like as well as share my videos. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.